In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Adobe ID settings by using Google and Behance. This guide will walk you through the steps to access and edit your profile details seamlessly, ensuring that your Behance experiences are always synchronized with your current preferences. Let's begin by navigating to Google. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Behance and hit enter. This will generate a list of search results related to Behance, which is a platform for showcasing and discovering creative work. The aim here is to find an immediate access point to your Behance profile. Once you've entered your search, you'll see a link to the Behance official website. Click on this link to be directed to the Behance homepage. This site is an essential hub for creatives, allowing artists to exhibit their portfolios and connect with other professionals globally. Now that you've landed on Behance, locating your profile is the next step. Look towards the top right corner of the page, where your profile icon is displayed. Click on your profile to proceed. This action will take you to your personal project gallery, where you manage your showcases and personal information. After accessing your profile, the next thing you need to do is manage your Adobe ID. Find the option that says Manage Adobe ID and click on it. This step is crucial as it connects you to your Adobe settings, where your Behance account is deeply integrated. This menu holds all the vital account information and settings associated with your Adobe products and services. Once you click Manage Adobe ID, you will be redirected to the Adobe Account Management portal. Here, look for the Edit Profile option and give that a click. This area is where you can adjust personal details tied to your Adobe-specific platforms. Navigating this section allows for better control over the synchronization of all your Adobe-linked activities. Now that you're in the Profile Editing section, scroll down through the provided options. Continue scrolling until you see the option to change your email address along with other personal details. Updating this email is vital as it ensures that your contact information stays current, which helps with account recoverabilities, notifications, and much more. And that's it. You have now learned how to effectively navigate through Google and Behance to manage your Adobe ID settings. Keeping your profile updated ensures that you have seamless access to all your projects and remain part of a thriving community of creatives on Behance. Be sure to save any changes you make. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your digital creative life.